What's up, traders? Keon here. Today's video is going to be about how we made over 100% gains on both our QQQ alerts. Now, before we get started, let's make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep pumping out content like this. And if you haven't already, join our group absolutely free for 5 days. If you don't like us, it's no problem. Keep all the money that you made. Now, let's get started. So last night we did have a watch list session and we did review QQQ. So we had these levels placed before market opened. And so we had to trust the levels, right? So what did I see? So we saw that QQQ tested this 291.32 support 3 times. The fact that it held 3 times made me feel bullish about QQQ. So what did we do? We entered a 295 call at $1.60. So only costed you only $160. And since then, we saw that it broke that 292.27 resistance. And from there, our first target was 293.44. Once it broke 293.44, we knew that it was going to fly and fill this gap above the previous day close. QQQ even broke above the previous day close and that hit a high of 296.75. Now we did sell our last contract at around 1.98 for one of them and 3.18 for the other. Again, we did not hit the 600%, 500%, 300%, but we did get at least 175% on this play. And if we look at our members' gains, yes, I did hit 23,000 from a Googl alert, and I will show you guys that right now. Wherever it is, Googl 2345 call for 10.5 premium. I sold my last 3 at 77. So that was a pretty big gain of 23,000. We have members profits. We played an AMC alert yesterday. Video has been posted. And QQQ 170% gains from one of our members, 125% gains, 120, 400, 273, 3,000. So it's been a great day for our members. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and join our group so you can start paying off your credit card debt much faster. We'll see you guys in the next video.